Good morning, dear students. As we have completed second chapter, let us move to chapter 3 today. Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Today, let us study about factors and multiples. Let us see the definition of factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Let us see how these numbers are the factors of 6. According to the definition, a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Let us see whether these numbers are exact divisor of 6 or not. See here, 6, when it is divided by 1, you know that this is dividend and this is divisor. Okay, the number in the middle is the dividend and this is divisor. Fine. So if this divisor, if it is an exact divisor of 6, then this number we call it as factor. Let us see. So 1, 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Isn't it? See here, 1 divides the 6 exactly, means the remainder becomes 0. So 1 is the factor of 6. Similarly, let us check with 2. The dividend here is same 6 and the divisor we are taking 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Fine. 2 3s are 6. When you subtract, the answer is 6 minus 6, 0. Hence, 2 divides exactly. Hence, 2 is also the factor of 6. Let us check with 3. So, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Fine. So 3 is also the factor of 6. It is a simple concept. Whenever you divide the given number with any number, if it divides it exactly, means that when the remainder is 0, then that number, that divisor is the factor of the given number. Otherwise, it is not a factor. Let me show you by considering the divisor 4. If I consider 4 as the divisor, can we divide 6 with 4? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is greater. So 4 1s are 4. If we take 6 minus 4 is 2. See here, 4 does not divide 6 exactly. The remainder is not 0. So 4 is not the factor of 6. In the similar way, 5, 6 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5. If you subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1. Here also, this number does not divide 6 exactly. The answer is not 0. The remainder is not 0. So 5 is not the factor. Only the numbers which divides the dividend exactly are called as factors. Let us see with 6. Does 6 divide 6? Yes, 6 1s are 6. When you subtract, 6 minus 6 is 0. So 6 is also the factor. Can you see here? The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 4 and 5 are not the factors. Did you understand? we will see some more examples of finding factors in exercise problems. Let us have a look about multiple or multiples. If it is more than one, then it is called as multiples. When we write 4 5s are 20, okay, 4 5s are 20. Here the multiplier and multiplicand are the factors, and what the answer you get, the product you get, is called as multiple. Okay, let me consider one more example. 2 3s are 6. Fine. So 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, and the 6 is the multiple. Fine. 6 is called as the multiple. Let us solve some workbook questions. Exercise 3.1. The first question is, write all the factors of the following numbers. They have given some numbers. For that we have to find out the factors of them. Okay. The first number which they have given is 24. 24. Let us find the factors. 24. So 1 into 24. 1 24s are 24, right? So 1 divides exactly the 24. If you do the division, you can check out if when you do the division 24 when divided by 1, 124s are 24. The answer is 0. The remainder is 0. So 1 is the factor of 24. 124s are 24. It divides exactly. So 1 is a factor. Next, 2 12s are 24. When you come to check one by one, okay, 1 2 3 4 like that. So 2 12s are 24. So 2 is also a factor. 3 8s are 24. So 3 is a factor. 4 6 are 24. Hence 4 is also a factor. Also these 24, 12, 8, 6 are also the factors of 24. Right? The multiplicand and multiplier both are the factors, and this is the multiple. Fine. The product what you obtain, the product is the multiple, and the multiplicand and multiplier both are the factors. Next, 6 4s are 24. Hence 6 is also a factor, 4 is also a factor. Hence you can write, hence the factors of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, and 6. Stop here because 4 and 6 are repeated. When the factors repeat, you just stop it there. Okay. See, 4 6 are 6 4s are, both are repeated. So stop here. Let us see few more questions. Question number B, 15. Okay, 15. 1 into 15. Hence 1 is a factor, 15 is also a factor. 3 5s are 15. So 3 and 5 are the factors. 5 3s are 15. So again 5 and 3 are the factors. Here see, 3 and 5 are repeated, and stop here. Hence the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Okay, you can notice that the number which they have given is always a factor, and also 1 is factor of all the numbers. Let us see the next question. Question C, 21. So 1 21s are 21. 1 and 21 are the factors. 3 7s are, hence 3 and 7 are the factors. 9 3s are 21. 9 and 3 are the factors. Hence the factors are, 3 is repeated, hence stop here. Okay, hence the factors are 1, 21, 3, 7 and 9. Fine. Let us see the question D. 27. 1 into 27 is 27, hence 1 and 27 are the factors. 3 9s are 27, 3 and 9 are the factors. 9 3s are 27, hence 9 and 3 are the factors. Since the 3 and 9, the numbers 3 and 9 are repeated, just stop here. The factors are 1, 27, 3 and 9. Okay, see the question E. 12. 1 12s are 12, so 1 is always the factor of all the numbers. Okay, and the number itself 12 is also a factor. 2 6 are 12, so 2 and 6 are the factors. 3 4s are 12, 3 and 4 are the factors. 4 3s are 12, hence these are the factors. Since the numbers 3 and 4 are repeated, stop here. Hence the factors are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Did you now understand how to write the factors? So the multiplicand and multiplier both are the factors, and this side what the answer, you get the product, that is your multiple. Okay, let us see the question number F. 20. So 1 into 20 is 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, and also you can write 10 2s are 20. Okay, since 10 and also one more you can write 20 is equal to 5 4s are 20, right? This one is not needed. Yeah, 20, 5 4s are 20. Since 4 and 5 are repeated, just stop here. The factors are 1 20, 2 10, 4 and 5. The factors are 1, 20, 2, 10, 4 and 5. Okay, so if you write 20 is equal to 10 into 2, no problem. 10 and 2 are the factors itself. It is already repeated also here. 2 and 10. You can write both way. 2 10s are 20, 10 2s are 20. Both are same. Okay. Let us see the question 8. Question G. 18. 1 into 18 is 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. If you consider from 4, in 4 ones are table, 18 will not come. 5 ones are table, no. Again, next number is 6. 6 3s are 18. Since these both numbers are repeated, stop here. The factors are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 6. And the next number 23. And the next number is 23. So 1 into 23s are 23. 23 ones are 23. In between, if you consider in 2 ones are table, 3 ones are, 4 ones are, 5 and 6 ones are, there is nowhere the product comes as 23. Hence 23 ones are 23. Hence the factors are 1 and 23 itself. Okay, 1 and 23. Yeah, look at the last question of this main question I. 36. So for this number, the factors are 1 36, 2 18, 3 12, 4 9 and 6. Since 6 is repeated 2 times, stop here itself. The answer is 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9 and 6. These are the factors of 36. Fine. Let us move to the second one. The second one is very easy. See, write first 5 multiple of. When they ask you to write the multiple, you just have to write the table of that number. Okay. See, 5 multiplicative table of that number. The question A is 5. Write first 5 multiples. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So the first 5 multiples are 5, 10. Remember that the answer what you get, the product what you get, that is nothing but your multiple. So here the multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Write down. Hence the first 5 multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. The same way, question B, write the multiple of first 5 multiple of 8. Write down 8 ones are table up to 5. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Hence the first 5 multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Question C. The multiple of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Let us move to the third main. Match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. First go through the column 1 and column 2 carefully. Column 1, 35, 15, 16, 20, 25. In the column 2, they have given the answers in the improper order. Okay, multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, factor of 30, factor of 50 and factor of 20. So 35, choose the right option for this. 35 is a multiple of 7, right? Do you know? 7 5s are 35, right? 7 5s are 35. So 7 is a so 35 is a multiple of 7. B is the right answer for question A. You can match 35 with multiple of 7. The next one, 15. Can you guess what is the right answer for this? Look at the answers. Yes, 15. It is a factor of 30 because 15 twos are 30, right? 15 twos are 30. So 15 and 2 are the factors of 30. Here 15 is a factor of 30. Option second, that is option D, is the right answer for this question. Option D. 15 is a factor of 30. Fine. Next, 16. 16 is a multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. Answer what you get, that is your multiple. So 16 is the multiple of 8. 8 and 2 are factors. 16 is the multiple. Next, 20 is a factor of 20 itself because 20 ones are 20. Remember, the multiplicand and multiplier both are factors. 20 and 1 are factors of 20. So factor of 20. For the fourth question, option F is the right answer. Next, 25 is a factor of 50 because 25 twos are 50. Remember, these two are the factors. So 25 is one of the factors of 50. Fine. So So this is about the match the following. The question number 4, that is find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Take this one as your homework. I will give you a hint how to write. So multiples, when you are writing multiples, you just have to write the tables of that number. Okay, multiplicative table of that number. Just write down 9 ones a table for this. That is the solution for 4th question. Okay, that's all for today. Let us meet in the next video with a new concept. Thank you. Practice well.